Now, someone sent you BTC or you have BTC on your Trust wallet, but each time you want to send it out, it's showing 0 or the BTC is not reflecting on your wallet at all. Let me show you how you can rectify that. If by the end of this video your situation or your case is not resolved, one thing you have to do is to check the email in my email in the description box and send me an email or send me a message on Instagram, and then I'll be glad to assist you to resolve such issue as this, or if you have any other recovery case, we can resolve it together. Now let's dive right into the video. Okay, here is the first solution to this particular case. All right, now the first thing you're gonna do is you need to check your network providers. So for those living in country like Nigeria, if you are using other network providers such as Glo, MTN, their DNS may be preventing some applications from loading, from coming up. Okay, so now you need to switch to a different network provider and then refresh the wallet, and then it will reflect. Okay, other situation is you need to update the wallet, and to update the wallet, make sure that you've already stored the seed phrase so that in case while updating your wallet crashed or something happened. Okay, so now you go to your wallet and then you click on the update button. So after updating your Bitcoin, open the wallet and then your Bitcoin should reflect. So your Bitcoin price should reflect. Okay, this one there's no Bitcoin right here, so but it should reflect. At the end of the day, if your own case is different, if this doesn't work for you, feel free to send us a message or a DM on Instagram or through email, and then we'll be glad to respond to you as soon as possible and get your own case resolved. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.